Hey there. We use words all day, every day, but have you ever really stopped to think about what they are? Well, today we're going to go back to square one. We're going to tackle one of the most basic, most important building blocks of language. What exactly is a noun?
Okay, so let's forget all the complicated grammar stuff you might have learned in school. Just for a second. At its core, a noun has one simple job. It tells you what you're talking about. That's it. It's the main character of your sentence.
So let's really dive into that idea. What are we talking about?
All right, so if a noun's job is just to name things, what kind of things are we talking about? Well, it's actually pretty simple. Every single noun you can think of fits into one of just four categories: a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. That's the whole list, just those four.
So let's get a bird's eye view of these four categories. A quick overview to see how they all fit together.
And there you have it. See, it really is that simple. For a person, you've got examples like teacher or child. For a place, you've got school or city. For a thing, maybe a book or a pen. And then, for an idea, you have something like love or honesty. That's the whole shebang, right there.
Okay, let's break this down a bit. We're going to start with the easy ones, the nouns that name all the tangible stuff we can actually see and touch.
So, first up, people. A noun can be any word that names a person. It could be their job, right? Like a teacher or a doctor. Or it could just be who they are, like a child.
Next, nouns can also name a place. Just think about it. Anywhere you can go or point to on a map, a school, a park, even a whole city. The names for all those spots, yep, they're all nouns.
And of course, a noun can be a thing. I mean, just look around you right now. The book on your shelf, the pen on your desk, maybe even the phone in your hand. All those words are nouns.
All right, so we've got people, places, and things covered, the physical world. But language is so much more than just what we can touch, right? So now we're going to get into the slightly trickier category, the world of ideas. But that leads to a great question, doesn't it? What about all the really important stuff in life that you can't see or touch?
Well, they need names too. Things like concepts, feelings, qualities. I'm talking about words like love, honesty, or happiness. Even though you can't hold them, they are absolutely nouns, just like a rock or a tree. We call these abstract nouns.
Okay, so now we know what a noun is. We can spot them. But so what? Why does this even matter? Well, it's because they are the absolute foundation of our sentences. Let's see why.
And this right here is the whole point. Nouns are not just random words to memorize. They are critical. I mean, think about it. Without a noun to tell us who or what we're talking about, a sentence just falls apart. It's totally meaningless. So, here's the big takeaway. Nouns are the building blocks. They give our sentences a subject. That's the who or the what that the entire sentence is about. You take away the noun, and you're just left scratching your head, wondering, what are we even talking about? And there you have it. So, now that you know the secret, let's end with a little challenge. Can you spot the four nouns hiding in this sentence? A teacher's book explains love at school. Go ahead, pause, and see if you can find all four. You're looking for one person, one place, one thing, and one idea.